Good day, viewers at home. We have to solve this equation involving fraction. N squared minus n over 8 plus 2n minus 50 over 16 equals 25. So the first thing to do here is to find the LCM of the denominators at the left hand side. The LCM of 8 and 16, without using the normal LCM method, it is 16 because 8 can divide 16 without a remainder. So when you have two denominators in which the smaller one can divide the bigger one without a remainder, then you take the bigger denominator as your LCM. So the LCM here is 16. So the first thing to do is to multiply everything by the LCM plus 16, 2n minus 50 equals 16 multiplied by 25. So 8 here 1, 8 in 16 is 2. 16 cancels 16 here. So if you open this bracket, you have 2n squared minus 2n plus this is 2n minus 50 equals 16 multiplied by 25. That gives us 400. So here, minus 2n plus 2n, that's what? They are out already. We are left with 2n squared minus 50 equals 400. So if you take 50 to the right hand side, you have 2n squared equals 400 plus 50. Then our 2n squared will now be what? 450. So the next thing to do is divide both sides by 2. 2n squared over 2 equals 450 over 2. So the n squared will now be 225. 450 divided by 2 is 225. So that means n will now be plus or minus square root of 225. And the square root of 225 is what? 15. So the value of n in this equation is plus or minus 15. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.